What's going on, guys? This is your boy Trillionaire Mac, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. I know I am. It was a fantastic day within the markets, and I hope you guys were able to take advantage. In this video, we're going to be breaking down an AUDUSD day trade that I called live with all of my students within the mentorship program. Yes, you heard it correct. This was called live. My students were on the call with me. Okay, now we were extremely packed out, so if you're a student of mine and you weren't able to get on today's live session, no worries, okay? We do this every single week, all right? So be sure to, join the link 15 minutes early, 10 minutes early, things like that to make sure to secure yourself a seat. All right. Now, those of you who aren't students, okay, because this is just for people who are not students, I have opened up 2 more 1-hour Saturday sessions. Okay. So 2 more are open. The link is going to be in the description. Okay. The first 2 that come and sign up for the session, they're yours. And I'm going to be giving you guys my day trading strategy free of charge. So you guys are not going to have to pay for it. It's going to come with your one-on-one session. All right. It's an hour long. It's every single Saturday, but they've been closed for the past Saturdays because I've been a little busy with mentorship students. But back by popular demand, you guys have been asking me when I'm going to open them back up. I had my team open up 8 spots, and they were taken within 30 minutes. So this is going to be a YouTube special. I'm going to open up 2 more for you guys. I want you guys to go ahead and snag them up. Let's get to it. All right. If you're not a part of the YouTube family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon because you do not want to miss my videos. Okay, not only am I going to go over a day trade from this morning, but I'm also going to show you guys what I'm looking for AUDUSD to do next, right? So you guys are going to really be able to take advantage of these trades, right? Now, with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's get into the video. Before we do, quick commercial break. I'm going to interrupt the video for a split second, and I wanted to tell you guys about this trade right here. This was the DXY trade that was called out within the Telegram community earlier this week, and as you guys can see, this trade is about to produce a 16.58%. Okay, let's change this. This is a DXY trade that we took within the Telegram community earlier this week, and as you guys can see, this trade is about to produce a 16.78%. We risked around 8.5 pips for about 142.6 pips on the DXY index, and as you guys can see, we are about to hit target pretty soon here, right? Now, this only took a couple of days for us to produce 16%. There are multiple individuals within the Telegram community that are going to be passing their funded accounts. There are multiple students that are going to be passing their funded accounts, all from one trade, right? Now, if you're someone who wants to produce about 16% in 2 days and 16 hours, right, and be able to withdraw $16,000 from your $100,000 funded FTMO account, what I want you to do is join the mentorship program right now. Click the link in the description, join the mentorship program, and if you cannot afford the mentorship program, no worries. Take advantage of my setups within the Telegram community and take advantage of the profits. All right, use the profits, reinvest it into yourself, and let's get the ball rolling. All right, now let's get back to the video. All right, so before we actually get into the breakdown, you guys know I have to show you all the before, right? So this is going to be the before. Now, we were flipping through a lot of pairs, as you guys can see, GBP USD, AUD USD, Euro USD, UCAD, and the DXY. Currently, we have trades still loading on Euro USD and the DXY. We should be in those pretty soon, as well as USD CAD. So the only trade that we don't have loading right now is going to be the GBP USD trade, which ended up hitting our target, but it's all good, right? You're not going to get in all of them. So this was the before. As you guys can see, I already had my take profit here, already had my stop loss. Price came very, very close to stop loss, continued to push to the upside, which I will show you guys. So with that being said, now that you guys have seen the before, let's go ahead and hop into the charts. All right, so once again, if you're interested in understanding this day trading strategy, along with my day trading plan, okay, sign up for the weekend session. We only have 2 left. They're going to be 60 minutes long, and you all can ask me any and every question that you need as it relates to trading, foreign exchange market, or any asset, okay? And I'm also going to give you my day trading plan, right? So it's literally step by step on what I look for first, second, third, fourth, all the way until it's time for you to actually enter the trade. And then we'll also discuss management, what you should be doing as it relates to trade management, when you should close 1%, when you should move your stop loss, where you should take profit, things like that. All right. So 2 sessions left. Link is in the description. Go grab it. All right. Let's get into the breakdown. So I pulled my zone off of the M15 time frame right here within this area. Now, those of you who day trade with me, a part of the mentorship program, okay, this morning I went over why this was going to be my point of interest. Okay, we see that price pushes to the downside here, okay, taps into this valid point of interest, right? And then we get some type of reaction here, which we're going to have to look at on the lower time frame. Now, this was a trade that took place during New York session, as you guys can see, all right? And essentially, we just flowed with the volume and the momentum of New York session, right? It's not always going to be a pretty session, okay, for New York traders, as you guys know, okay, and it's not always going to be a perfect session for London traders, as you guys know. But what we like to do is we like to take advantage of the momentum and the volume that takes place during these sessions, right? So those of you who do sign up for the one-on-one sessions this weekend, okay, the hour-long sessions this weekend for the private trainings, you guys are going to understand why and how we look for the things that we look for, things like that, right? I'm super excited to actually introduce it to a new individual, right? So now that we understand the zone based on the higher time frame, which I just refined to this candle here for reasons that my students understand, okay? Now we're gonna go down to the lower time frame and look to see how price reacted to this area. All right, so now that we're on the lower time frame, okay, essentially we took our entry on the M1 time frame. Now there are other time frames that you could have used in order to take your entry, but this morning, my entry was based on the M1 time frame. So we can see here that price is creating downtrend structure into our zone, right? We're working in between this area here, okay? Price starts to create internal structure here, internal substructure here, okay? And then finally, we see that we have a supply failure, which is here, okay, after we had multiple reactions to this supply. So we know that this is a valid supply area, and then price pushes to the upside, takes out this high here, giving us a nice change in momentum, right? The demand that was responsible for taking out this failed reaction as well as this supply here, okay, I just refined to this area here. Okay, now usually I would have used this entire candle right here, right? But 2.5 pips for risk, okay, was right here within this area, and I really did not want to up that to 3 pips. As you guys can see, it really decreases the return on investment, right? So we left it at 2.5 pips, which is not bad whatsoever, and then our target was simply just these highs based on the M15 time frame. Now, they're not always going to be highs or lows based on the M15 time frame. Okay, but in this case, based on what we're seeing going on within this area, okay, that was going to be the most valid opportunity to take this trade. So as you guys can see, 9.6% return on this trade here just by following the mentorship program and joining in on the live trading sessions, right? Remember, we don't necessarily care about pips. We only care about the percentage return, 9.6%, right? That is 96% of your FTMO account challenge finished for those of you who want to become funded traders, right? Absolutely phenomenal. So what I want you guys to do is, if you would like to take advantage of these trades, if you want to hop into the setups right along with me, if you want to trade with me during London Live, if you want to trade with me during New York Live, what I need you to do, click the link in the description, join the mentorship program. I'm going to be looking forward to seeing you guys trade right along with me and catch these trades right along with me. It's very, very simple. While you're learning, okay, how to do this on your own, while you are going through the course information once you join the mentorship program, it only makes sense that you guys take advantage of my setups. It only makes sense that you guys trade right along with me, right? Allow me to mentor you, okay, and teach you the ropes trading like the pros, all right? If you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below and share this with a friend who needs to be a part of the mentorship program. Share this with a friend who has been struggling with trading. They don't know which way to go, right? And I want you and your friend to both sign up for a one-on-one session, okay? This weekend, link will be in the description, and I'm going to give you guys my day trading strategy, all right? With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Much love. Peace out.